bean.
Ugh.
Hey.
No, yeah, it was. There it is. 2 pounds of Tannerite. 2 whole fucking pounds. Ooh, my lens is dirty. Cool.
Babe, hey, wait until we're ready, okay?
Hey. Ready? This should be exciting. 2 pounds of Tannerite. You ready, sweetie?
Yep.
Here we go.
Whoa.
Ow! I caught a rock in the chin. No, I didn't. I caught a fucking screw in the chin. Well, am I bleeding? No, it's just a little red. That shit'll buff. Let's go see how my camera's doing. I'm a little nervous that my camera might have blew up because that shockwave was a lot closer than I expected it to be. At least he hit it on the first try, though. We're probably, what, 40 yards from where? Yeah, roughly. There. My boot just officially took a shit. Nice. Oh, time for new boots. There's a piece right there. It's all over the place. This was the target. Hey, this is the target that was attached to it. There ain't shit left. Uh-oh. And we're still recording. All right, we got it. There's a piece back there, beside the hill. Oh yeah, there it is. Right there. There's pieces over there still, way over there. It's all kinds of shit. That was satisfactory. That'll do just fine. Well, we are back from a successful day of shooting where we blew up that 2 pounds, and now Miss Melissa is trying to make a, what'd you call it?
Chicken, what is the hell?
It's chicken fettuccine alfredo, but what kind of recipe is it? You said it's like a pilgrim thing or something like that?
What?
But you said it was like some kind of recipe. It was a type of recipe. I don't remember what it was. She said something funny. But it's all from scratch.
Oh, no, not it.
I'm making this from scratch, but I was asking about Polish recipes, like if your mom used to make you a lot of Polish food, because you said that you were tired of eating all the same things. So I got a bunch of new recipes, so we're going to eat like a lot of Polish and Native American dishes in the next few weeks.
And then we're going to switch to my side of the family, which will be Russian and German. So we're going to drink a lot of vodka for dinner. Some beers, and then French Canadian. What are they? Maple syrup, and Irish. I think we're back to beer again.
I think so. See what you've done there.
I think hers are going to be less calories though. So
I don't know. You see this butter here?
yeah, there's a lot of butter, but pretty sure beer's got quite a bit too. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Give us a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. And comment below if there's anything else you guys would like to see. Until next time, see you guys later.